Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the NBA 2K error code 0xc565cb2f. The error reads, failed to create D3D12 command buffers with error code. GPU adapter name. As per our research, the error appears when players try to launch the game. Many users have reported that the error pops up immediately after starting the game client. According to our research, this error seems to be related to DirectX 12 and possibly some issues with the graphics driver or system configuration. We first suggest you restart your device along with the router. Then check if you have a pending update for the game, or your drivers, or your device firmware. If there are any pending updates, install them and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then try disabling your antivirus temporarily. After disabling the antivirus, try launching the game again and see if the error persists. If the issue is still there, then try to verify the game's files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and fix them. Once the file verification is complete, launch the game and check if the error still appears. If none of these solutions work, then we suggest you contact the game support for further help and advice. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.